Hi, Kathy. I am going to go through the survey here, talking through it so that we can kind of be on the same page. It's the best way I think I can do corrections. So, how many years have you been teaching? Take out the 4 right here. What grades have you taught throughout your career? This is good, especially if they can choose multiple. Although, are you going to be including secondary school? Because if not, I'm not sure that you need that. Let's see. Have you taught in schools with different levels? Put an L in there of Spanish speaking. Have you taught in schools with different levels of Spanish speaking populations? Maybe, I think. Have you taught in schools? I'm not sure that I understand that question, with different levels of Spanish-speaking population. If yes, what was the highest and lowest estimated population percentage? I'm not sure that I understand what you're getting at here. Maybe be taught in schools where there is a Spanish-speaking population. Yes, no. That would be well, you're trying to make sure that you have only 10 questions. So you're asking 2 questions here. That's what's complicated. I would make the assumption that you're sending this out to people who have taught in schools with a Spanish-speaking population. So, if yes, what was the highest and lowest estimated population percentage? I gotcha. Okay, so I would say, what is the percentage range of Spanish-speaking students at the previous schools where you have taught? Question mark. And then they can just, maybe you could have selections for 10%, 20%, or 10 to 40. You could put a range and you could have different choices for them. What is the highest number of Spanish-speaking students you've had in one class? That's good. Do you feel your current school administration does enough to support Spanish-speaking students? Let's see, maybe this is then, if no, for this question, what improvements would you like to see from your administration to improve Spanish-speaking students? That would be an apostrophe right here. Learning. So I would just add an apostrophe there. Have you taken specific trainings? I would call that professional development. Have you taken specific professional development from your current county on teaching Spanish-speaking students? So add teaching right here. Okay, question 8. How well prepared do you feel as an educator to successfully teach Spanish-speaking students? This is good. Select all strategies, if any, that you've used. Allowed students to pair. Created, reached out to parent guardian more often. Said, this is good. Other strategies, I would add plural there. And then, what has been your greatest success or regret? Is it as a teacher teaching Spanish-speaking students? Great. Okay, I think you're good. Just make those corrections and you should be good to go. Good luck.